Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Sake Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix if you have like a lock symbol next to your games on your PlayStation 4 account. What we want to do is go up to settings right now and select this, and then go to where it says account management and go on down. Now typically this happens because you lose connection or something like that to the internet and you're trying to play offline, but you don't have your PS4 activated as primary. So make sure you come to this section and activate your PS4 as primary so you can actually play offline. Otherwise, if you get kicked offline and you don't have an internet connection, you're going to get a lock symbol next to your game. Otherwise, something with your licenses for downloaded content through the store could be causing the issue. And this is usually what it is for me because mine is usually activated as primary or set as home. And it says, if you become unable to use content you downloaded from the PlayStation Store, there might be an issue with the licenses for the content. Try restoring them. So this typically works right here. Also, now another thing that could be happening is maybe someone else is the primary on your PlayStation and they're sharing all their games in PlayStation Plus on your PlayStation with you, and they no longer do that. So if we go on over to like my main account, so we can switch. You can see this one has PlayStation Plus. So I'm able to share PlayStation Plus with this second account. Now, if I try downloading a game on this account, it's going to give me a giant lock symbol. So if I go to library, you can see there's a lock symbol right here. I'm not able to play any of these games. So I need to go to my first account, and I need to set everything as primary on my first account, and that will unlock all those other games. So you want to download any game on this account, and then you can access them on your second account. So let's go to account management, and I got to log in, but I need to go to activate as my primary PS4 on this account, and then all those games should be playable once I download them on this one. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.